Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is all about Fabfitfun add-ons. So this is part 2 of my Fabfitfun unboxing for summer 2022. If you want to know what I got in my add-ons, is it better than my regular box? Then keep on watching. If you haven't watched my initial unboxing of the summer Fabfitfun box, definitely check out this video right here. I'll definitely link it in the description box below. This video is all about the Fabfitfun add-ons for summer 2022. Now there's two types of add-ons. It could be an add-on under each customization, or they're add-ons from the add-on sale, which are products that are non-seasonal, they're past favorites. It could be anything and everything under the sun. When I chose my Fox Bay dryer, another option in customization 1 was the shampoo, the IGK Legendary Shampoo and Conditioner. And I knew this was a good brand when it comes to hair, and I'm a sucker for like fancy shampoos now. Ever since I tried Pureology from Influencer, I just can't get enough of it. I think each bottle costs like $20 to $30. Don't quote me on that, but together is already the price of the box. So I didn't mind adding another $15 to get these two. And then for customization 3, I believe, there was the Tula sunscreen. And I love the Tula brand, but I've never tried their sunscreen. Now, as you can see, this box is beat up. My Fabfitfun box had some issues during transport, so it didn't look that good, but I hope the products inside of it is fine. But I'm definitely going to be contacting Fabfitfun about it. This is the Tula Protect and Grow Daily Sunscreen with SPF 30. Again, it contains probiotics and superfoods, so that's what I love about the Tula brand. I think that's what's unique about them, and so I cannot wait to try this. We're going to be under the sun a lot, going on vacation this summer, and so we're gonna need a lot of sunscreens. And this one is supposed to make you glowy. And then the other item that I added on to my customizations is the Grace and Stella Everything is Better in Pink eye mask. So there's 12 individual pairs of eye masks. This is great at brightening, depuffing, and hydrating under the eyes. I actually used this last night already, guys. So I was so excited. The mask feels so luxurious. It has that silicone feel, like gel feel. It's pretty thick. It clings on nicely under the eyes, and it has plenty of serum in there. So I had to get this because not only can I put this in a giveaway, like hello, right? I can also take this with me for travel, and we are going to be traveling finally this year. So I rarely bring eye mask whenever I travel, only because it's so bulky to carry because they're in jars. Now that they're individually packaged, like hello, this is going to be my go-to for travel. There's a whole bunch of them, so I'm so excited. For add-ons from the add-on sale, I got the Dream Good Patch Sleepy Time. So this has 10 milligrams of melatonin, which is what helps you sleep. When I saw this, I thought about my mom because sometimes she has trouble sleeping. So I mostly got this for her, but I'm definitely gonna try it myself. It's not that I'm having a lot of trouble sleeping, but if I could get a little bit more rest in, why not, right? The other one is by Teamy Lavender Tea Infused Cognac Sponge. So it's a 2-pack, and it was like, I don't know, like $5 for this too. And I love cognac sponges. They're so gentle. This is a pore refiner cognac sponge. So I love the packaging. I took one out. Let's see what it looks like. I know it doesn't look very pretty, but it says here you want to soak this sponge in warm water until it expands. Massage your face with the sponge in a circular motion, and after use, rinse sponge and press it between your hands to drain out water. hang dry when not in use. I love these cognac sponge. They're so gentle on the face. Even though they don't look like it, they really are. This is the Hand Defense Hand Wash Infused Buffer. This is originally a duo pack and they cost like $28, but I got them for like $3, $2.99 I feel like, or $3.99 during the Fabfitfun sale. So it's like, you know, it's like a bar of soap for your hands, but it's also a buffer. This is by Spongel, but this one is for your hands and it smells amazing. It's Hand Defense, revives with thyme and tea tree oil. I ordered one set, but for some reason I got two more. I got two more, guys. So again, I'm gonna definitely have some for a giveaway or for gifting for sure. The other one is Spongel Supreme Buffer for men. So this one I got for my husband. I wanted two, and for some reason I didn't get the second one. So I'm gonna be contacting Fabfitfun for that. There's about 28 washes. It's a men's Supreme Buffer, has moisture, triple butter body wash built in. It's got shea butter, vitamin A, and rich mango butter. I wanna smell it. Ooh, it smells good, but it definitely does smell like it's for men. Every time I open a new Spongel, my husband ends up using it. And by the time I get to it, it's already used up, like had its 14 uses. So I figured I'd get him his own. That way he can stay away from mine. And then the last item that I got is a Matcha Turmeric Superfood Latte Blend by Goldie. 30 daily servings of matcha and turmeric. This is plant-based. You can just add this in your glass of water, milk, or any type of cold drinks, and you're good to go. You get your daily dose of turmeric. Turmeric is such a great ingredient for the body. Jessica from Jessica Myro, she also has a YouTube channel, and she puts turmeric in any of her drinks: coffee, juice, milk, water. If I could just add this in my daily drinks, why not, and get that extra benefit from the turmeric and matcha. Okay, so that is all of my add-ons, guys. What do you guys think? What do you think is better, my add-ons or my regular box? For whatever reason, I feel like I'm more excited for the add-ons this season. Did I get my money's worth? I definitely did. Fabfitfun is still my most favorite seasonal lifestyle box. There's always something interesting. There's always something that I need for home, body, skincare, and beauty items. I think I am ready for this summer. Not bad, Fabfitfun. So that is everything, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxing here and there. So definitely stick around, join this beauty community. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.